Here we've got Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to manage your welcome and node. So if you reset your device, if you would turn it on, off, and then you would like to switch it on and see some nice node, just open menu at first, then go to settings. Now pick phone settings, and here you will notice welcome node. So just mark it and now provide some message. Okay, so I missed L again. And now I wanted to save it, not clear, and then just tap on options and save. As you can see from now on, here we've got the welcome node, and anytime you will activate your phone, you will see it on the display. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.